Well, he emerged before the press, he cried, Harinder, but didn't answer the questions straight on.
Absolutely. He needs to answer.
He's the weak link in the empire, isn't he?
Yes, he definitely is. And maybe that's why he went underground for 3 days. In fact, we spoke to him before the midnight crackdown, Rahul, on the CID report, and he did not say what he said today. That day he was very belligerent and he said, where do you think I got my passport from? From Pakistan. Today he's admitted that yes, his parents are from Nepal, but he did not want to take any hard questions.
Javed, this does leave a bad taste in everybody's mouth. This is the government's dirty tricks department working overtime. First they try and do political yoga with him. Now they're doing all sorts of, espionage, subterfuge. It's just like discredit the guy.
I beg to differ on the dirty tricks department. The dirty tricks department can only succeed if you have something to hide. Why didn't the dirty tricks department succeed with Anna Hazare?
No, but I have a different question, Javed. Why is it waited till the time? First they go prostrate before him at the airport. Why are they doing it now?
That's the question I answered first. Yes, they have a lot of questions to answer. But the fact is that there are a lot of questions that Baba Ramdev needs to answer. And this gentleman, this Acharya Balkrishnan, is not just the weak link. There are lots of weak links and they'll start tumbling out. You see from the body language, from the tone and tenor of Baba Ramdev, where has all the fight gone now? He was all fire and brimstone and at Ramlila Maidan.
Sure.
Suddenly the fizz has gone out of the man. Obviously there's a lot that he has to hide, and it's fair enough it's been focused on.
Well, most definitely Baba Ramdev has serious questions about his past that he needs to answer, but the government too should have been asking those questions at the right time. For the moment, Harinder Baweja and Javed Ansari for joining us on the show this evening. Many thanks. Harinder and Javed and their teams will continue tracking this story very, very closely. There are several investigations being carried out on Baba Ramdev's empire. We'll get you more information as it is dug out. The Congress and the BJP, meanwhile, engaged in a bitter war of words today, lowering the political discourse. Congress's Digvijay Singh lashed out at the BJP for supporting Ramdev, whom he called India's biggest thug. He raked Sushma's dance at Rajghat to put the BJP in a spot. The BJP hit back hard. Arun Jaitley called the government a headless chicken that was bent on taking away the people's right to protest.
भाई यही तो लोग उनके मंच पे होंगे, और कौन होगा? काला बाजारिया होंगे, रेप करने वाले होंगे, सट्टा लगाने वाले होंगे, यही तो बाबा रामदेव के मंच पे बैठेंगे। और शर्म आनी चाहिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी को कि भगवान राम से यात्रा चालू की और रामदेव पे आके उन्होंने समाप्त की है।
एक तरफ वित्त मंत्री थे, एक तरफ गृह मंत्री थे। अब प्रधानमंत्री इसमें कहां थे किसी को मालूम नहीं। तो इसलिए यह कहना कि यह हेडलेस चिकन थी सरकार, और दोनों इकट्ठा चल रही थी, और इसलिए विजय जी कहते हैं मैं कंफ्यूज हूं कि एक तरफ 4 मंत्री भेज दिए, दूसरी तरफ फौज भेज दी। ये दोनों का आपस में मेल कैसे है?
जिस विचारधारा ने हत्या की महात्मा गांधी की, उसके पोषक वहां जाकर हड़ताल करने के, अनशन करने के, धरना देने के नाम पर गए और सुषमा स्वराज जी नाच रही हैं। आखिर खुशी में नाच रही हैं कि नाराजगी में नाच रही हैं, समझ में नहीं आया। विजय गोयल साहब नाच रहे हैं। ये नचैयों की पार्टी भारतीय जनता पार्टी कब से हो गई है?
टीयर गैस का अर्थ यह नहीं होता कि किसी को मारना है। टीयर गैस का अर्थ यह होता है कि यह भीड़ है, गैर कानूनी है, इसको यहां से हटा देना है। मैंने अपने जीवन में, और विजय जी का अनुभव, सानी जी का अनुभव मुझसे ज्यादा है अगर उनको याद हो, मैंने अपने जीवन में किसी बंद इंक्लोजर में, क्लोज्ड इंक्लोजर में टीयर गैस शेल नहीं देखे। और फिर आप कहते हैं, मतलब मुझे रहम आता है प्रधानमंत्री के इस विषय। इट इज अनफॉर्चुनेट। I think the Prime Minister's statement is more than unfortunate.